Namaste, welcome to Home #Life, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how I have decorated our dining area. Probably in previous videos you have seen this space, but that's without decoration. So today I'm going to share how I have decorated the space. Also, before decorating, I always keep in mind that how I can make the space look more cohesive, or how I can style the space with few statement pieces. You can say I am kind of a collective decor stylist, if it makes any sense. In future videos I'm going to share with you more tips and tricks how you can decor your space more thoughtfully and more beautifully. Now let's start today's video. First of all, very sorry for the lighting. It was downpouring rain when I shot this video. I kept this artificial hanging flower vine in this right corner of our dining room to make the space look more cohesive. This painting we got from Home Center a long back, and probably you have seen it in our previous home tour video. We have this buffet or console table in our dining area, and those of you following us on Instagram or Facebook probably know the story of this console table. This one is our absolute favorite furniture piece in our home. Our bookshelf is on the way, so as of now this console table houses our most frequently accessed books, and rest of the books are still inside the cabinet. I recently bought this small picture from Home Stop and love its watercolor look. This plant is a real one and an indoor one as well. In this keepsake box, I used to keep small denominations and coins, and above that I just kept one picture frame. This 3-tier brass stand is a new member of my brass collection. I will tell you all details in the next video. And in future videos you will see many hand-painted Indian art form on this wall. As I told you earlier, I kept living dining area theme as Indian traditional look, so I will work towards that genre. Now moving on to our dining table area, I refabricated these chairs, change the upholstery, and rather go with plain fabric, I kind of mix and match these dining chairs to bring little interest in our dining room. It is quite easy to play with prints and patterns if you have a specific color scheme or a specific style in your mind. I love this bird print fabric. It is so beautiful and always gives me a feel that we have a piece of nature in our home. For everyday use, I don't prefer to keep a lot of decor stuff on our dining table because it is a multifunctional zone for us. We do crafting, painting, reading. I do my script work, research work, everything on our dining table. And here is a glimpse for you. आपने फिर से पानी ज़्यादा लिया, पानी ऐसे कर लो, थोड़ा सा पानी पोंछ लो, फिर इसको लो ऐसे. ज़्यादा पानी होगा ना तो वाटरी हो जाएगा. Fine? Then you go with this. Also, chai talk, chit chat all happens on our dining table, so I prefer to keep it simple most of the time with simple table runner, one tray and few essentials. Now moving on to the left area of our dining space, as you can see we are missing a crockery cabinet here. I will update you once we finalize any crockery cabinet for this space. Right now I have stored our seldom used crockery in our kitchen crockery unit. As of now, I placed a wall shelf here with a side cabinet. This little side cabinet acts as our iron table too, so I do not keep many stuff on it, just one indoor plant to enhance the aesthetics. And this small wall shelf acts as my brass collection display unit. Hope these lanterns you can recall from our Diwali decor haul or Diwali video. Our puja mandir kept above this chest of drawers. This mandir I purchased from an online site. I will put the link in the description box below along with other product links. So if you are interested, you can check those links in there. In this common area, right now I have placed 2 Madhubani paintings which I got as wedding gift. I have posted a separate video on this wash basin area, so if you haven't checked it yet, find the link in the I button or in the description box below. Here I placed one runner to complete the look along with hand soap dispenser and one faux plant and a hand towel. Hope you have seen this hand towel holder in our 10 tips on home and kitchen organization video. It is such an useful product. It is a storage area for us which holds a lot of necessary as well as maybe I will use it someday stuff. If you like this Indian dining room decorating idea video, give it a big thumbs up. Also share this video with your loved ones. Do subscribe to Home #Live for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.